From construction to dental work, pliers have been an integral part of life for thousands of years. Let's take a look at how they came to be. Pliers trace their origins back to ancient times, with evidence of their use in Bronze Age Europe around 2000 BCE. Initially crafted from wood, bone, and later bronze, these early tools were simple yet effective for metalwork, jewelry making, and pottery, showcasing the early human need to shape and manipulate their environment. The Romans advanced plier design significantly, introducing iron and steel versions that offered improved strength and versatility. Roman pliers were used in a variety of trades, from armor repair to construction, indicating the tool's central role in both daily life and specialized labor. This period also saw the development of specialized pliers, such as those used in dental work, highlighting the tool's adaptability to specific tasks. Throughout the medieval period and into the Renaissance, pliers became more specialized, reflecting the era's advancements in craftsmanship and technology. Blacksmiths and armorers refined pliers for more precise tasks, leading to the creation of designs that closely resemble modern-day tools. This era underscored the importance of pliers in the expanding complexity of human inventions. The Industrial Revolution transformed pliers from artisan-crafted tools to mass-produced essentials. The introduction of standardized sizes and types, such as slip-joint and needle-nose pliers, catered to the burgeoning industries of the 19th and early 20th centuries. This period also saw the patenting of locking pliers, enhancing the functionality and safety of the tool for industrial and automotive work. The 20th century brought a diversification of plier types, including diagonal cutting pliers, lineman's pliers, and the versatile vice grips. Innovations in materials, such as high-carbon steel and ergonomic designs, improved durability and comfort. The development of insulated pliers addressed the growing demands of electrical and telecommunications work, reflecting the tool's evolution in tandem with technological progress. Today, pliers are more sophisticated than ever, incorporating precision engineering and ergonomic design to meet the specific needs of various industries. Innovations such as self-adjusting and ratcheting pliers offer enhanced efficiency and ease of use, while the integration of non-conductive materials enhances safety for electrical applications.